Get same-day access to your funds and earn cash rewards with Squarespace Balance, a spending account that links to your Squarespace Payments account and is created instantly as part of the Squarespace Payments setup process. To review availability and eligibility, please check out the link in the description. With Squarespace Balance, earnings processed through Squarespace Payments will automatically land in your Balance account the same day they finish processing, giving you immediate access to funds with no minimum balance requirements, no monthly fees, and no transfer fees. You can spend your available funds using your Balance card, a digital spending card found in the Balance dashboard in the Finance panel. You can also manually transfer funds to an external bank account, though no third-party connections are required. Funds stored in Squarespace Balance may also be eligible for FDIC pass-through insurance up to $250,000. It's worth noting that for security purposes, all new accounts undergo a brief review period before funds become available for use, and that you must enable two-factor authentication before connecting a bank account or transferring funds from your Balance account. Get started with Squarespace Balance today. Start earning rewards for funds held in your Balance account and put your profits to work the very same day you make them. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.